Your next lesson is going to involve gradients and filters, and I just wanted to show you a few things about gradients that might help. She also mentions, the person who did the tutorial, refine edge. It's no longer refine edge in the newer versions of Photoshop. It's select and mask, and it looks a little different. So I'll show you what that looks like for a second here. Let's see, select and mask. So see, it's a big box. It's no longer just a panel. All the stuff is over here on the right, properties, and this is where you alter some things, and the paintbrushes for painting the edges is over here. So I'm just going to hit escape to get out of there, but I want you to know that. The other thing I want to show you, this is a quick tutorial just to show you some things about custom gradients, because she gives you all the numbers and all the colors and everything, but I just want to show you how you approach a custom gradient. So let's say I want to do type that's in the color realm of this pillow. So I can pick, let's see, where is, here's gradient, and now I want to get the eyedropper. I'm going to pick this color, see, there's that color. Then I'm going to hit the X key to get the black so I can change the black to a color that's in Trixie's hair. So those are the two colors I have. If I go to gradient, those should be the two colors here if it's the standard gradient, which it is. The first gradient is the foreground and background. But let's say I want to change this. I want to move things around, maybe add some color. I'm going to change, let's see, I'll also add a layer on top of Trixie so you can see what the gradient's doing. Right now, the gradient looks like that, depending on whether I go this way. You know, the closer you are, the tighter it is, if it's a diagonal, if it's top to bottom. So I'm going to go in here and click this. See this thing? Boom. This is how you edit or make a new gradient. These are the little paint pots. See the color it says is in that paint pot? Let's say I want to change that. I want it to be a bright pink. See how the gradient's changed? I'm going to click OK. I'm going to move this along. See how, if you notice, look closely, I'm moving the hot pink, now moving it left, now moving it right. These up here denote a certain level of transparency. Let me see if I move this over here. If I go over here and move this over here, it's going to change the transparency that's over here, I believe. Let's see, let's make this color red. Oops, okay, so it didn't change. Ah, there it is. Smoothness, you can change that. And let's say you want to add, I accidentally just got rid of that red color. You can always get another color stop by holding the Option or Alt key, and there's another color and another color. You can change the color pot by clicking here. You can get rid of a color pot by just pulling it down. And I want to get, how do I get, let's see, transparent. This is the location. Here's the color. Use background color. My background color is that original pink. If I move this all the way here, and I can move the pink here, let's see. These are transparency sliders, but if you make a third one, notice down here it says opacity. If I make that 0, now I have these two colors. This is the original foreground color, but now I don't want that color. I want another color. I want blue. So you can have and now I've got this transparency happening, and I have to move these down. I can move these left and right. See how that's changing the color? She does this in the tutorial you're going to be looking at. let's say I want to make this a new color, and I'm going to name it Karen. Hallelujah. Click OK. I'm going to select all and delete that color. I'm going to Command D to deselect. I'm still in the gradient tool, if you notice. And now look at what my gradient looks like. So, not exactly beautiful, but you get the idea of making your own gradient. You're going to be doing that in this next tutorial. Awesome.